Robotics brings machines to life by combining mechanics, electronics, and intelligent computer control systems. A robot is built to sense its environment, decide actions, and move purposefully to complete tasks. Everything begins with sensors that measure light, distance, force, sound, and many other physical signals. These sensors convert real-world conditions into electrical data that a computer can read and process. At the robot's center, a controller runs software that interprets sensor data and decides what happened next. This software follows programmed rules or learned patterns, similar to how humans use memory and reasoning. Once a decision is made, the controller sends commands to actuators, which create movement or perform actions. Actuators can be electric motors, hydraulic pistons, or pneumatic systems that push, lift, rotate, or grip objects. Power sources such as batteries or supplies provide the energy needed to run sensors, controllers, and actuators. Modern robots use artificial intelligence to improve decisions by learning from data and adapting to new situations. For example, a warehouse robot can map surroundings, avoid obstacles, and pick items efficiently as conditions change. Feedback loops compare expected results with outcomes, allowing the robot to correct errors and stay on track. By combining sensing, thinking, and acting, robots can perform repetitive, dangerous, or precise tasks with remarkable consistency. As technology advances, machines are becoming more capable partners, helping people in homes, hospitals, and industries worldwide. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.